Hi, welcome back. Earlier today I set you Professor Povey's perplexing problem. Did you solve it? So what I asked you to do was we had an infinite chessboard where the side length of each square is 2 and we had a coin which has diameter 1. We threw the coin onto the chessboard and the question is, what is the probability that the coin will be touching both black and white? So how do we solve it? Firstly, I want you to consider what happens when we put a coin in a square so that it's touching two sides, so this position here. And let's imagine moving this coin along the sides so that it's always touching the edge. It's going to go up here, touch two sides here, we're going to move it along, it's going to touch these two, down to this position here, and then back along to the original position. Now consider what is happening to the center point of the coin. It starts here, goes up, goes along, goes down and along. The center point maps out, it traces out a smaller square, which I'm going to color in here in pink. Now the aha moment to solving this puzzle is to realize that if the center of the coin falls in this small square, the coin will only touch one color. But if the center of the coin falls in this outside area, the coin must touch one of the adjacent squares. It must overlap. So it will be touching two colors, both black and white. So what's the answer? The answer is the chance of it landing in this area, and we find that out by finding the area here and dividing it by the total area of the square. So what is the area of the square? We know that the side length is 2. What about the side of the smaller square? Well, the coin has diameter 1, so half of it is half, and we have a half here and a half there. So 2 minus half is 2 minus 1. We know therefore that the side of the small square is 1. Let's do the calculation. To find this area, we find the total area, which is 2 squared, which equals 4. The area of the smaller square is 1 squared, which is 1. So the area of this bit that we're trying to get, the outside area, is 4 minus 1 equals 3. So the probability that a coin landing on a square and it overlapping and therefore touching two colors is going to be 3 divided by the total area, which is 4. The answer is 3/4 or 75%. I hope you enjoyed this puzzle. I'll be back in 2 weeks with a totally different type of puzzle. We've got 2 sequence puzzles today and both are by David Singmaster. He is a metagrobologist.